Tired of guessing where price will reverse? Let's bounce off pivots like pinball, strategy style. This strategy combines daily pivot points plus pin bar reversal signals to trade short-term reversals on support-resistance zones. Pivot points plot automatic support-resistance levels, S1, S2, R1, R2, etc. The pin bar indicator flags candle wicks showing rejection and gives you an arrow, up or down, on reversal candidates. Buy setup. 1. Price touches a pivot support area, e.g. S1, S2. 2. Price shows rejection in that zone, a bounce. 3. Pin bar indicator plots an up arrow. 4. Enter buy on confirmation. Sell setup. 1. Price touches a pivot resistance area, e.g. R1, R2. 2. Price shows rejection, wicks back. 3. Pin bar indicator plots a down arrow. 4. Enter sell. Risk. Tip. Don't jump in if price just slices through the pivot. Wait for clear rejection. Also, trade only in active sessions, London, New York, and risk just 1 to 2% per trade. Want the exact setup with ready-to-use indicators and template? Head to forexmt4indicators.com, download the Pivot Pinball Pack free, and start trading pivots like a pro.